Do you think your school isn't helping? Do you think tuitions are too expensive and pointless? Math is still getting difficult? Math Tutor is here for the rescue. We begin with Class XI Trigonometry. Standard position. You may need to recall the concept of degree as a measure for size of angles, which you have probably learnt in classes 6 and 7. An angle is said to be in standard position in the Cartesian plane if its vertex is at the origin and one of its rays lies on the positive x-axis, called the initial ray. The other ray is called the terminal ray. The angle is positive when measured counterclockwise from the initial ray and negative when measured clockwise from the initial ray. Now let's try representing minus 80 degrees in standard position on the scaled graph towards your left. Before we begin, it must be noted that there are 18 divisions between 0 and 90 degrees. So every one division must correspond to 90 divided by 18 degrees, which happens to be 5 degrees. Therefore, minus 80 degrees in standard position would look something like this. This is a do-it-yourself. Draw the following in standard position. Pause the video if you would like to try it yourself. Here are the answers. Did you get all of them right? Now for something to further on. Identify the angles in standard position. Pause the video if you would like to try it yourself. Here are the answers. Did you get all of them right? Here we have an open problem. Represent the smaller angle between the hour and minute hand at 7:10 p.m. in standard position. Do share the value you obtained in the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget to hit like. If you think it's worth a share, do share. If you wish to stay updated about new videos, do subscribe. Oh, and don't forget to leave us a comment if you want to share your thoughts about the video.